back at it again with fully inflated tires once again. After the last little mishap, we could trailer the bike home and pop the rear tire off the bead, inspect it, make sure it was all good. Replace the valve stem, and the front tire was nearly worn. I was getting some vibrations through it, so pop that off, replace the valve stem anyway just to be safe, even though it looked fine. And a new Bridgestone S21 on the front to match the S21 on the rear. So here we go, we're going to try it again. Try to get another good streak going of the bike bringing itself home under its own power. That was good, I like that.
Is it him or the bike?
I'll kill anything.
He's been like,
I'm not brand loyal, I'll destroy any bike. Hear that clutch chatter all day. Once again, nobody wants to lead. Luke says he doesn't want to lead the ride because we're going too slow, but then he jumps on the road here. That's about $1.80. Fall really seems to be the time of year that New Brunswick loves chip seal. Can't go anywhere without fresh chip seal being laid down. This stuff is fresh, it's just like well-managed dirt. Man, oh man, every time we leave the house it's like a big get-together for Corvettes and classic cars. And besides the chip seal though, I kind of like riding in the fall. Leaves on the road and everything are kind of cool. As long as there's not too many of them, because then you wipe out on them. He says, I don't want to lead the group because I'm going to be going too slow, and then put him in front, he just takes off, and it's me who's dicking around and just cruising, holding everyone up. I'd rather slow it down a little bit, not just destroy myself. Well, it just goes to show that some vibrations on motorcycles can be pretty deceiving. Because for a long time I was convinced that it was not the front tire doing the vibrating, but here we are. New front tire on, and it is gone. The bike is super smooth now, it feels electric. I've had that front tire on there for like almost 10,000 kilometers. And you know, over the last 10,000 kilometers, I'd get home from rides and my wrists would be aching. And I'm starting to think it was a lot of vibrations coming through the bars that just got gradually worse and worse, and I didn't realize it. Because today they feel so smooth, there's nothing coming through the bars. Well, besides the usual beating you take in the New Brunswick back road, but once the road smooths out.
I said, let us know when you get home. You just laughed. Well, you never know with a tire like that.
Yeah, he could be the next one with a flat.
Yeah. I mean, a tire like that with somebody like me on it, it's not so bad, but he's a big boy.
Yeah. Alright, we're down 2 people, but... No, 3 people, I guess. Jake's wife, too. That's a cool Triumph. Well, what am I saying cool Triumph? That's brand new. It's a 2018. It's an old looking Triumph. They do a very good job at keeping the retro look. Well, that's a first for me. That's the first time anyone's walked up and said, "Hey, you're the guy on the internet." That's funny. He's familiar with the 400, with Tracy's bike. I think his son ended up buying a 400 for himself after watching videos like that. It's pretty cool. So I guess if he's watching this video right now, it was nice to meet you, man. So now the plan for the rest of the day. We were just going to go up around the Kingston Peninsula, but Luke was the navigator for that ride, and his rear tire is just way too worn to finish the ride, so he's heading home. Jake's not feeling the best, so him and his wife are heading home. We're going to let Vinny take over navigating, because he's got a covered bridge he'd like to get a picture of. He's kind of on a mission to get a picture of all the covered bridges in the province. So this is one he wants to knock off his list. Look at that, leaning like Rossi. This is not the covered bridge he's after. I think we should be able to just head straight through this intersection and head north up in that area. Safe to say I've never been in this area before. The GoPro certainly don't pick up how strong the cow shit smell is right here. Certainly a nice scenic area. I don't know if he was banking on this going to a straight dirt road. Have to consult the map again.
Apparently it's right up the road if you guys are okay.
If it doesn't get any worse than this, we'll check it out. I don't want to get my bike dirty.
I understand, yeah.
Just gotta watch out for the ruts. ZX-10 suspension is not going to do so well with water ruts. Bridgestone S21s don't do too well with any of this, really. This is funny. It's no flat tires, that's all we want, no flat tires. There it is. Woo. Looks like it's seeing better days.
It's not so bad.
No.
That's the, I didn't know this was here. I just found this one by random.
Oh yeah? So you've not been to this one before then?
No.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I have to get a picture of this. much more enjoyable if we could afford asphalt. Well, so far so good. All those dirt roads and everything, and still no flat tires or nothing stupid. It's just starting to get cold and windy, and we're pointing towards home now. All in all, it's been a pretty good day. Kind of sucks that Luke's day got cut short due to his tire. Jake's day got cut short due to just some aches and pains, I guess, but pretty good for us. This way is always good if you want to make some time and just totally bypass Sussex on your way home. Well, that property looks like it's right out of a horror movie. There's another covered bridge for Vinny, but I'm sure he's already seen this one. I just realized I haven't forgot to put my earplugs in once today. It's got to be a record. It'll definitely help at the end of the day. Don't feel so tired. Head's not down into the wind noise. That just about does it for this one. If you're still hanging in there watching this, might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and all that good stuff. Don't forget to check out the Fortnite affiliate links in the description below. We're going to keep trucking along here, try to make it home while we still have feeling in our fingers. You can come back and check out the next one.